In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Google Vids in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to polish a presentation, make your content more engaging, or just spice up some footage, mastering the process of adding animation is key. Let's dive right in. The first step is incredibly straightforward. You're going to want to locate the clip you wish to animate. Once you've found your video clip in Google Vids, simply click on it. This action will highlight your clip, making it the active element for any subsequent modifications. This is akin to selecting a text before you edit it. Unless you highlight or select your clip, you won't be able to apply changes to it. With your clip now selected, you'll see various options available for editing. Among these, you need to find and click on the Scene option. By clicking on Scene, you're moving into the editing phase where the real magic starts to happen. This step is crucial because it allows you to modify specific parts of your clip, especially in terms of transitioning from one scene to another, which is the essence of adding smooth and appealing animations. Once you're in the scene settings, your next step is to click on Transition. This is where you'll find a variety of animations that can be applied to your clip. Transitions are essentially the animated changes from one clip to another, or from one scene within a clip to the next scene. It's what gives videos a polished, professional feel. They can range from simple fades to more complex effects that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Now it's time to choose your transition. Spend some time exploring the different transitions available to you. Each option will give your video a different flavor and feel. For instance, a fade might give your video a soft, introspective feel, while a swipe might offer a more dynamic and energetic transition. Consider the tone and pace of your video when making this choice. Visualize how each transition might complement your content before making a decision. The final step in adding animation to your Google vid is to set the duration of the animation. This is a critical aspect because the timing of your transition can significantly affect the flow and feel of your video. A quick transition might be perfect for high energy clips, whereas a slower transition might be more suited for a dramatic or thoughtful piece. Adjust the duration of your animation by clicking and dragging, or by entering a specific time. Play around with different durations to see what works best for your clip. Remember, the goal of adding animation to your video is not just to make it look cool, but to enhance the storytelling and keep your audience engaged. It's worth taking the extra time to tweak and refine your transitions until they feel just right. Here are a couple of additional tips to keep in mind as you work with animations in Google Vids. Experiment with different transitions in the same video to maintain viewer interest, but try to keep a consistent style that aligns with the narrative of your video to avoid distracting your audience. Preview your video multiple times while editing. This allows you to see the animations in action and make any necessary adjustments in real time. Adding animations and transitions can transform a basic clip into a compelling story. By following the steps we've gone through today, selecting your clip, choosing scene, clicking on transition, choosing your transition, and finally setting the duration of the animation, you'll be well equipped to enhance your Google Vids with dynamic animations. Once you're happy with your animated transitions, don't forget to save your video. Then go ahead and share your newly polished creation with the world, confident in the professional touch you've added with just a few simple steps. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to add engaging animations to your Google Vids with ease. Keep practicing, experimenting with different transitions and durations, and soon, adding animations will become a seamless part of your video editing process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.